If you want to move mountains, my friend, you don't have to start with the whole thing. You simply begin with a single small stone. And right now, in this moment, you are going to begin removing all the tension and stress from your body and from your life. In life, it is so important to pause and to truly take time for yourself. You must grant yourself permission to stop, to breathe deeply, and to move forward once more, one gentle step at a time. Stress can emerge from so many places, can't it? You might be holding on to things, believing it makes you strong. Or perhaps you feel the weight of needing to solve all of life's puzzles at once. Or maybe you find that you're not fully living here in the present. Whatever it is, I want you to gently ask yourself these questions. You don't need to force the answers. Just let them float in your mind. What is making me feel stressed? What in this situation can I actually change? And what is beyond my control and might be time to release? If there is something we can change, how can we start? What is the smallest first step? And how can we learn from this feeling of stress in the future? Finally, who is a person we can ask for help? Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength. You have to remember with all your heart that you deserve to be happy. You deserve to be free from the heavy chains of constant stress. You may think that holding on makes you strong, but sometimes the strongest, bravest thing you can do is to simply let go. You may think you need to solve all your problems right now without realizing you are making things more difficult for yourself. In some cases, you need to let go of all the things you had planned so that you can have the beautiful life that is waiting for you. You must learn to open your heart to this simple fact. You can't always control what goes on around you, but you can always control what goes on inside of you. And now, to close our time together, you are going to make a gentle commitment to yourself. Repeat these words after me, either out loud or in your mind. I am choosing happiness over stress. I know that I can. I am making space for my unknown future, to fill my life with the good things to come.